Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method in Claude AI. So first of all, simply come here on Claude AI and then sign in into your account. Now, when you are inside, simply hover over to the top left hand corner. Then simply click on your profile icon here in the bottom left hand corner. Then click on the option of settings. Now inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of billing and click on it. So over here you will find the payment method. So here the current payment method that you are using will be shown here. So you need to simply click on the option of the update, and then you can enter the new credit card or the debit card details, including the required billing information. So once you have entered everything, you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of update in order to save those changes, and this way your new card that you have added is going to be basically shown here inside the billing section. So that's how you can basically do it. Now if you have subscribed to Claude via Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, then your payment method is managed via the application only. So you can make changes into that via the App Store or Google Play Store. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.